Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Good morning. Today, straight away to the chapter and to the exercise. We are already in the middle of the chapter number 3, and we are doing exercise 3.5 today. 3.5, and it is all about triangles. Very simple exercise, and hope that we'll finish this exercise in time if you cooperate with me and if you just conceive what do I tell you. So there is question number 1, part A. Now this is question number 1, part A. Hope that this is visible to you, except this 3.5 question number 1. Here we are going to write the reasons, and we have to write the reasons because it is asked in the question. I'll read the question for you. Find the size of marked angle, give reasons. Now this is very important that you give reason, because it will help you that you have not uh, seen the answers and you have calculated it by yourself. So the first question is 57, 69 and x. 57, now this is 57 degree, and this is so much, 69 degree, and this is x. It is very simple question, as you know that the sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 57 plus 69 is equal to 180 degree. Now you can write here the sum of angles of triangle. I'm writing in it short form, but you can write it in all in English. Sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Well, you can write it like this if you want to complete the sentence. Now, since it is 57, 57 and 69, just add them up. 57, 69 and 57. So it is 6 over here and 126. Now x is plus 126 is equal to 180, and x is equal to 180 minus 126. Now it will become 54, I think. 54 degree. Because I don't have the calculator, I have not even done it, so I just do it over here. See that 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 54. Yes, I am right. So it is 54 degree, and the reason is sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now part B and C. Now this is part B. I have already drawn some sketches. That time is we don't waste our time. Now it is also written here A, B, C. Okay, so M and O. Okay, now it is 48 degree over here. This is 48 degree, and there is one clue as well. Two short lines. Now these two short lines means that these are equal in length. Now we have to find angle x over here. Angle x over here. Two short lines, and we have to find angle x over here. Now what is given is isosceles triangle. Triangle MNO is an isosceles triangle. MNO is an isosceles triangle. You can write it. Okay, it is given. Now you can write it is given. Okay, now when it is given, that means the two sides are equal and the two base angles are also equal. So it is very easy that to say that if this is x, then it is also x. So we can write it x plus 48 is equal to 180 degree. Again the reason will be same. Sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Continue with this. 2x plus 48 is equal to 180 degree. Now this is a simple algebraic solution. When we come to the algebraic stage, we'll do it in detail. So we'll eliminate this 48 from here and put it over here in the right hand side. That is equal to 180 minus 48 degree. We have come up till here. Now this is, you see that this is 48. Just suppose round it to 50. Then if it is 50, it is 130. Okay. Now if it is 50, it is 130. But it is 48, then it is 132. Now this is a simple trick that how to do this simple mathematics in without calculator. Now you see that it is 2 and 7 minus 4 is 32. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1 is always there. So it becomes 132. So it is equal to 2x. Then x is equal to 132 divided by 2. So it is 6 times, 2 6 times and 1 and 2 6 times, 66. Now it is 66 over here and 66 over here. So it is quite an easy. We'll take, now you see that there are two triangles in one triangle. Now this is a clue over here. You see that this is the sine of 90 degree. Now this angle, now this ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, and there is also one triangle ADC. Now we can calculate this x angle by this reason. Okay. Now we'll calculate this angle x. Now x plus 40 plus 25 degree is equal to 180 degree. So it will become 65 is equal to 180. Now x is equal to 180 minus 65. So it is x is equal to 115 degree angle. X is equal to 115 degree. We'll subtract 65 from 180 and it will become 115 degree. Now we have found 115 degree. Now it is very simple. Since this is 115 degree, now for this we'll write the same reason over here. Okay, just see that we have written the same. You don't have to put this. You will write all this sentence over here. So since we have found an angle x which is equal to 115 degree. Now what about y? Now if we are calculating the triangle with the region of triangles, then this is the exterior angle of these two interior angles and it is also opposite to these two angles. Opposite to these two angles, and these are interior angle, this is exterior angle. So it is very simple that the sum of two interior angle is equal to the opposite exterior angle. Now sum of two interior angle is equal to I hope I cannot go below this line. So what will happen over here, that 25 plus 40 is equal to y, because the reason for this, the reason is written over here. Okay, the reason is exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Exterior angle y is equal to the sum of two interior angles. 25 plus 40 must be equal to this y. So it is 65 degree. Now y is equal to 65 degree. And if we are given open space to find it, then this is a line. 150 plus 65 gives us this supplementary angle, because x and y are the supplementary angles. So again we come to angle 65. But since we are doing triangles, so we don't use the supplementary angles over here. So this is 65, this is 90, then again 65 plus 90. Now dear students, for the angle z, what will we do for the angle z? Z plus 90 plus 65 is equal to 180 degree. So the reason will again remains the same, but we'll write that in triangle. We can write that in triangle ADB. So it is in triangle ABD. ABD, in triangle ABD, sum of the angles of triangle 180 degree. So what will it become? Now this is Z. It will become Z plus 155 is equal to 180. So Z is equal to 180 minus 155. That will give us 60. 60 minus 80 is 20, and then 5, 25. It is 25. Now I again use a tip and trick to solve it. Now this is question number 2. Question number 2, part A. Okay. Now again we are given some angles and we have to find the unknown angles, and we have to give the reasons also. So the first is 120 XX. Now I'll just name this triangle ABCD. ABCD. Now this angle is given, and this is 120 degree. Now this is 120 degree, and this is X, and this is again X. Yes. Okay. Very simple. Very simple. The sum of two interior angle is equal to the one exterior angle opposite to them. So that means x plus x is equal to 120. X plus x is equal to 120 degree. Sum of two interior angles is equal to one exterior angle opposite to them. Okay. Sum of two interior angles is equal to the one exterior angle opposite to them. Now these are two interior angle. This is one opposite exterior angle. So therefore our reason qualifies and verifies this thing. So it will become 2x is equal to and For your knowledge, when two angles are equal, then it means that this is an isosceles triangle. And I will just tell you one thing more. Now this is 2x is equal to 120, x is equal to 60 degree. Now if one angle is 60 degree, another angle is 60 degree, then automatically the third angle is 60 degree as well, and it is not isosceles triangle, it is, yes, equilateral triangle. Because since when we don't knew the angles, we were only with the variables, so we called it as isosceles triangle, but when we calculated, it has become an equilateral triangle. So you can see from here also that 120 plus 60 is 180 supplementary angles, but we have to do it in this way. Part B. So part B seems to be some tricky. 2x and 4x and 86. Now this is 86 degree angle. This is 2x and this is 4x. Okay. Now what we do? Now my dear students, just look at this figure now. You see that for this angle 4x, just name this triangle. They have not named it. Okay, they have not named it, so I don't name it. Now for this angle 4x, there are two opposite interior angles, 86 and this unknown angle. Okay, this is unknown. We don't know, even a variable is not given over here like this. Okay, for this 2x, these are the two angles. These are the two angles, interior angles for one exterior angles. So we are not given anything. So what will we do? We have to find a trick to reach its solution. My dear students, since we are not given any other clue, so we have to find our own clues. So what we do here? You see that this is 86 degree, and for this 4x angle, 86 and this unknown angle, if added together, will give us 4x. Now this is 2x given over here. So let us suppose that this angle is 180 degree minus 2x. 180 minus 2x, this is the supplementary angle, because this is the supplementary angle, and we have to use now the supplementary angle. Now for this clue 180 minus 2x, now this is supplementary angle of 2x. Now this is 180 minus 2x. This is, now we have some clue, at least we have come to some clue that we have found two angles over here which will meet our requirement of two interior angle is equal to one opposite exterior angle. So what we do, we just add them up. 86 plus 180 minus 2x is equal to 4x. Now for this, you will give the reason of opposite exterior angle. Okay, opposite exterior angle. So we will calculate it. 86 plus 180 minus 2x is equal to 4x. We will add the two. 180 and 86. 266. Now it will become 266 minus 2x is equal to 4x. We'll eliminate this 2x from here and we'll put it over here. 2x is equal to, now this is minus over here, it will become plus over here. 4x plus 2x. So 266 is equal to 6x. We'll divide 266 with 6 now. 4 times 6 4 times 24. 6 4 times 24. 2.3. 54.3. So it becomes, it has come in fraction. No problem, that x is equal to 44.3 degree. 44.3 degree. Since we have come to know 44.3 degree, then we'll solve this 2x, then this will solve, we'll solve this 4x. So 2 multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2 multiplied by x. Now x 2 multiplied by x. Now where x is equal to 44.3 degree. Now 2 multiplied by 44.3 is equal to 88.6 degree. Now this angle is 88.6 degree. And this angle, we have already found this angle 4x. No, we haven't found. 4 multiplied by 44.3 multiplied by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16, 17, and 4 4s are 16, 17, 177.2 degree. So this is 88.6 degree. This is 177.2 degree. So don't be confused that it has come in decimal fraction. Sometimes the writers do some things like this, that it happens like this. So I think students, the solution of this has not been recorded. So I'll repeat it once again for you, that these two angles are not given. These two angles are not given in question number 3, part A. Only this angle is given. Only the angle which the unknown angle is given, and that is x, and nothing else is given except this 95 and 105. So what will we do, that we'll find this angle over here, and this, let us say that this is an angle L. So for the supplementary angle in x and b, 95 plus L is equal to 180 degrees supplementary angles. So we will find the supplementary angle, and it will become 85 degree. And similarly for this, we will find the supplementary angle, and that is 75 degree. And now you can find angle x by completing the triangle 85, 75 and x is equal to 180 degree. Sum of triangles of the angles of triangle are equal to 180 degree. So it will become 20 degree. You can just calculate it, and it will become 160 plus x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 20 degree. Now this part B. 56, 68. Now this is 56 degree given, and this is 68 given, and we have to find angle x over here. Again we have to find angle x over here. So it is very simple. In fact, it is the easiest question of the all, because you see that there are two lines which are intersecting at each other at point A. So this is vertically opposite angle and it will become 56 degree automatically. It will become 56. Now you can write that vertically opposite angles. The reasons are vertically opposite angles. Okay, for this 56 you can write. Now adding up these two, we'll get here 56 plus 68 plus x is equal to 180 degree. The reason is this: sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 56 plus 68, 4 and 124. 124, and it means that it is 56 again. It is 56 degree. So when the base angles are equal, then these two are also equal. This is an isosceles triangle. Now dear student, question number 3, part C and D. Part C, now it is very easy again. 68, 59. Now this angle is given 68 degree. 68 degree, this is 59 degree. And what are the A, B, C? A, B, C and ED. ED, and this angle is X. We have to find this angle X. And there is one clue also given, like this. When you find a clue, go to that clue very soon. When you find the clue, just use that clue. So you see that we have got a Z over here. We have got a Z over here. So it is alternate Z angle. Now this is, and this angle X, and this unknown angle is what we call it as alternate Z angle. So we'll complete this figure because this AB is 180 degree. We'll find this, the rest of the angle is 68 plus let me call it angle Y, plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Supplementary angle, you can call supplementary on a line. Supplementary on a line. So 58, 59, 127 plus Y is equal to 180 and Y is equal to 53 degree. Okay, now this is 53 degree. Since it is 53 degree, then this angle is 53 degree as well. No need to calculate it anymore. Now you can write for this reason Z alternate angles. Z alternate angles. For this, A, B, C and it is D. Part is D. So there are only one angle given, 58 degree, and also one clue is given. So it is very easy, my dear students. Now this is the included angle of the two sides of the isosceles triangle. Now I can write here in reason that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this is one reason. It is given also. Okay. So this is so then the base angles, when the included angle is given, the base angle you can find is, let us call these angles as X. Now 58 plus 2x, I am doing it in very hurry now, is equal to 180 because this is x, x plus x is 2x. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 58. So what will it become? This is 60, 60, 120, and it will become 120 and 122. So it is 122, and the x be 6 and 1, 61 degree. Now this is 61 degree, 61 degree. Okay. Now the second reason is that this is an isosceles triangle. The base angles are equal. The base angles are equal. Then to complete the angles of triangle, it will become 61 degree. Actually, this x is not asked. Actually, this x is not asked. The x which is asked is over here. Okay. Now, once we have found this 61 degree, then it is very simple. It is again 61 degree. It is 58 degree. Then this is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle, or you can find it by means of the supplementary angle. There are two reasons you can use. The supplementary angle of 61 degree is 119 degree. Now the sum of these two angles. Now this is again 61 degree. 61 plus it is again, you see that this is 119 degree. So x, you can use both the reasons now. This is the supplementary angle. Now this is the supplementary angle. So x is equal to, now this is not x, okay. You can say this is y. So I call it y over 2y is equal. So x is equal to, now we have, now y is equal to 61 degree, okay. Now x is equal to 119 degree. This was a small mistake which I have done in, which is corrected now. Okay. In fact, this is the angle x, this is the angle y. If this is angle y, this is also angle y. Okay. So you can, I am once again saying that you can use both the reasons, that the sum of two interior angle is equal to one exterior angle, or you can simply use the supplementary angle. Now there are two questions left only in this question. Let me do it for you. Now dear students, this is very simple question. Once again, this is part E. This is part E of question number 3. Part E of question number 3. You can see that there are two parallel lines given. Two parallel lines given. So when the parallel lines are given, then it is no problem. So what will we do? That we'll find this angle, because this angle is equal to this angle. So we'll find this angle instead of finding this angle first. So let it name as y. So 35 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So it will become 95. 95 plus y is equal to 180, and y will become as 15 gate 85. 85 degree. So when this y is equal to 85 degree, then this x will be equal to, automatically equal to 85 degree, because this is the f alternate angle. F angles. These are the f angles on the parallel lines. Y is equal to x. These are f angles on parallel line. So it is solved. The last question is very easy again. Just do it in freehand. ABC. ABC part is EF, and this angle is given, and this is 295 degree. You see that, my dear students, this angle is given 295 degree. So it is a reflex angle, and we have to find this angle y. First of all, we have to find this angle y, and this angle y is, if we subtract it from 360 degree, it will become 565 degree. Now this angle is 65 degree. Since this angle is 65 degree, there is also a clue given, and this is that this is an isosceles triangle. Now this, if this angle is 65 degree, this automatically becomes 65 degree. So it will become 130 degree. 65 plus 65 is equal to 130 degree, and the rest of is 50 degree. Okay, you can give the reasons by yourself now. Okay, my dear students, it's all for today. It's time to sign off now. Okay, Allah Hafiz.